Да.
Okay, we're ready.
Yes?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
drink a vodka.
Я с тобой.
So, we are now live in Latvia from the Ukrainian party.
Я.
And I'm having the vodka. Here's the bottle with the vodka.
I can show this is the
vodka.
bottle of the vodka.
And
the
it's
big one.
it's Edgar's mother's fault because she keeps giving me vodka. And the game is like this. You first have your shot of vodka before you eat anything. So you have an empty stomach, you put shot of vodka inside.
Started.
And then you have this tomato which has been marinated by Edgar's grandmother. And
The
it
special
has
tomato with
vinegar and salt. And you see it's a very juicy tomato. So the thing is, take the shot with the empty stomach and then you bite the tomato. So, for Latvia, king and country,
Na
and
zdrowie.
paprika, na zdrowie.
Whoa!
Ну класс.
How did this taste?
Amazing!
Amazing! Cool!
Yay!
Yay.
Paprika power with tomato.
Ну да, это будешь это интересно будет, когда посмотришь.
Explosion. It's like.